I'm Casey, one of the e-commerce managers for Honor Philippines. And we have the honor and like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our beloved media partners, KOLs, and of course, our esteemed guests, Shopee Philippines. We are truly excited to have you here with us today because at Honor, we are committed to pushing the boundaries of innovation, technology, and design. To create products that empower individuals and enhance their everyday lives. As we continue to evolve, our goal is to build strong connections with our customers, communities, and especially our partners. Hi, Shopee. Today marks another significant step in that journey as we value the trust and support you have shown us. And we are truly grateful for the opportunity to share our latest advancements. Whether in Avid, online plan, or the core world, we are thrilled to have you join us on this incredible adventure as we introduce our new best value top 5G smartphone, the Honor X9C Smart 5G. This 2025 marks a very important year for Honor and Shopee, as we strive to provide the best value devices to make it more accessible for our customers. We started this year strong as we were awarded one of the top brands of the month last January for live stream selling, and for the first time, top 3 and top 4 for mobiles and tablets last week too. Wala ba pala content, guys? It's an achievement for us. Thank you. Shopee played a pivotal role in our achievements in support of the platform's leading e-commerce solutions. We were able to achieve an unexpected 870% growth from 2023 versus 2024. There. And then today, we are making history as we introduce Honor Philippines' first online exclusive smartphone, and we are happy to do it first with Shopee Philippines. We are truly grateful for giving us your valuable time, guys. Thank you. I know your day is very busy, but we really appreciate all of our guests here for coming. And please, let's look forward to a day filled with exciting activities, fun surprises, and rewarding experiences. So together, let's continue to innovate and make a meaningful impact in the world of technology.
Thank you so much. We're here again to witness a new Honor product that will empower more Filipinos. Our Honor X9C 5G is no doubt a hit to Filipinos, resonating the need for a durable smartphone, especially in the ever-growing challenging lifestyles and weather conditions that we are experiencing today. Am I right? Yes. So the toughest phone, Honor X9C 5G, reached an astonishing 406% sales growth compared to its predecessor, the Honor X9D. This proves that Honor is a leader in this growing category, of providing resilient and durable smartphones. But of course, as Honor, we continue to provide innovations that strive to elevate and go beyond the norm. Today, we bring a new smartphone which we believe that will resonate to the Filipino market more due to its unbeatable value and desired durability. Welcome the new Honor X9 Smart 5G. Now, with value in mind, we bring our best value durable smartphone that is even 5G to a wider audience. We specifically position this smartphone to cater to Filipinos, or to Filipino consumers rather, targeting their needs in terms of a reliable device for their everyday toils. Guys, I'm sure you can relate to this. We face our days with uncertainty. So imagine yourself, especially in our travels and our commute, we're not sure if it will rain, right? We're not sure if your day will encounter a hot sunny day. And we're not even sure, or you might even expecting it. It's a Carmageddon day, right? So every day is a challenge. All these, the Honor X90 Smart 5G can handle. So you can focus more on what matters most, less of the downtime. Because we designed the Honor X9C Smart 5G that has the same SGS 5-star comprehensive reliability that you love. Meaning this can also withstand up to 2 meters of drop resistance height, all angle 360 degrees drop resistance, 3,000 cycles of steel, wool friction, and of course, tested to more than 10 surfaces such as marble, pebble, cobblestone, gravel, asphalt, and even more. So this same kind of durability in terms of the one you love as in the present or in the Honor X9C 5G is also clear in the Honor X9C Smart 5G. At the back of the Honor X9C Smart 5G is the same polycarbonate, polymetal, metal acrylic back cover. But it's a mouthful. But this back cover is very designed, especially if you put your smartphone in your pocket against coins, against keys, or anything else in your pocket that might scratch your phone. Not only on the front, but also on the back. So, with durability inside, next is about water ingress. Once you put, in terms of water, the Honor X9C Smart 5G can also withstand in 2 scenarios. 5 minutes of 25 centimeters in water depth, and 2 minutes under 50 centimeters depth. These are quick scenarios just in case you drop your smartphone in a bottle of water. Or just in case you drop your smartphone in the bathroom. Aminado tayo lang. So, all of us experience this one way or another. Our safe, triple layer protection technology prevents water from ingressing inside the device, especially from delicate components. So, as you may see, we have 3 layers. The card slot, SIM slot, speaker, the fingerprint, the earpiece, and even from the buttons on the sides, they're all protected. Second layer, internal components such as the secondary board and also the controllers of the smartphone, like for example, the speaker. Down to the third layer, which is our SoC, or the processor itself. These are all shielded against water in case of interference of ingress, given the scenarios mentioned earlier. Next is temperature. From negative 30 degrees Celsius up to 55 degrees Celsius, this represents conditions that can be randomly occur in our daily experiences. All these give you the confidence to be more in the moment, regardless of any environment and conditions you are exposed to at the back of the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Our famous circular black module that houses the dual camera system. We have 2 cameras here, a 108 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. So both are able to give your content creations to your desire. You can shoot in 3 focal choices in the press of a button. So you can deliver more artistic shots in ×1, ×2, and also in ×3. So go ahead, take a shot using the 108 megapixel for speed, and take wonderful shots such as these. So you can see here buildings and installations, and even the photo of the actual building of Shopee headquarters, all taken wonderfully using the Honor X9C Smart 5G. So, another thing, not only in photography, but we also up AI in this price category. For the very first time, we're bringing this price segment with AI capabilities. So you can now have AI night mode camera and AI motion sensing capture. So the meaning of this one is AI mode camera automatically adjusts the right exposure levels and also shutter speed in darker conditions, of course. While the AI motion sensing capture snaps instantly highlights moments when significant movements are detected in your camera. So to explain further, what is this AI motion sensing? Technically, once you open your camera, just select the AI motion sensing icons located in the camera module and do your shots. Shoot as regular. When there are significant movements in the frame itself, it will automatically capture it for you. So you don't have to miss those precious shots. So precious memories are saved and it's already taken. Already taken for you. But what if your shot is already taken and you want to edit? Of course, we have our famous AI eraser. Everyone experienced AI eraser, right? It's now available at the Honor X9C Smart 5G. First available from our flagship Magic series and also Honor 200, now available at a more affordable price range. So this one will enable everyone to delete or even edit photo buffers after desire. Diba? You save most of your shots or can now be more artistic and more easy. Next is for the battery. We want you to carry a smartphone with 5,800 milliamperes in terms of battery, so you can do all-day battery life. We're going beyond the expected and go with a bigger 5,800 milliampere battery. That means you can do the following things with large battery capacity and power efficiency. Up to 20 hours of video playback and up to 42 hours of online music streaming. So remember, all of these features and large battery capacity is housed in a very slim 7.88 millimeters body. Now, it's really astonishing that you have a bigger capacity and slimmer profile design in this price point. So it's really nice in terms of curvature, it's nice to hold, and the front flat glass panel enables everything, which is really likable at this price point. Not only durable outside, but also inside. So, we've taken into consideration your battery in longevity use. Even after 1,000 cycles of charging, it's estimated in 3 years of use, it will retain 80% of its charge. So, that's good in terms of battery capability overall. Should you run out of juice, just in case, just stay a bit longer with our power saving mode, and you get 35-watt Honor Supercharge to fill you up faster. And of course, at the front of the display, the Honor X9C Smart 5G is also feature-packed with high brightness, high refresh rate, high resolution, and high color reproduction. Same features you've seen in our flagship level devices, also available in the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Next, we have large storage and large RAM. 12 gigabytes of physical RAM and 12 gigabytes of Honor Turbo RAM for a total of 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Reliable storage for your content to store. Choose from two colors that will represent you. A clean and clean midnight black, which is the one I'm holding right now, and also an expressive ocean cyan color. So personally right now, because of our outfits and also in our venue, we're currently in a gold setup. I choose the more midnight black for this one. You guys know me, I'm more of a color expressive person, but since the venue is more for gold, it's more for silver midnight black this time. Next, at the heart of the Honor X9C 5G is the same Magic OS 8 that we're providing to you guys, and you now have access to UI interfaces that improves your overall use. So, see notifications without leaving the current screen with Magic Capsule. And then, you can even transfer photos, videos, or text quickly with Magic Portal. Magic Lock Screen enables you to customize your phone to your preference even when not in use. And lastly, a bit of a flavor favorite, parallel space. If you have the dual personality lifestyles, you can access two home screens and access each one when needed. So it's really nice to switch home screens if you're at home, if you are at work. Lastly, to summarize, Here are the top benefits that you get with the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Enjoy drop and splash resistance for everyday challenges, large durable battery to stay even longer in your days, and 108 megapixel ultra clear AI camera enabled camera, AI and intelligent software to experience flagship class software at this price point. And last, to top it off, 5G connectivity, which is now more important than ever, with better speeds to do more. So, all these features and benefits means they will be able to enjoy our best durable 5G smartphone from Honor, priced competitively for our best value 5G smartphone from Honor is priced competitively for 13,999. Earlier in our parts of our program, we have partnered with the leading e-commerce platform in the Philippines to cater to a wider range of Filipino consumers. So for this one, to tell us more about this partnership, please corporate affairs for Shopee Philippines is Erin Taguig.
Here again with our partner from Honor for another exciting launch, and our continued collaboration has been incredibly productive and has been rewarding to witness Honor impressive growth on Shopee. In fact, their official store Shopee Mall saw a remarkable fourfold growth in 2024 compared to the previous year. Available on Shopee Mall in the Philippines. That's right, Shopee Mall only, not available in any platform or any physical stores. And of course, in true Shopee fashion, we're offering our users extra exciting deals on this new Honor X9C Smart 5G and upcoming 3-3 sale. From its SRP of 30,999, the Honor X9C will be only 11,999 during the on Shopee Mall, you can be sure what arrives at your doorstep is 100% authentic dahil sigurado ka sa Shopee Mall. By now, though, you should already know that the savings don't stop there, so use a mega discount voucher upon checkout, and you can snag the Honor X9C Smart 5G for an unbelievable 10,799. And that's not all, you guys. If you check out the 3-3, you can also enjoy flexible payment option with 0% interest via Shopee Pay later. But wait, there's more. Get a free Honor camping light speaker as a free gift only this 3D. So if you think it's time for a phone upgrade, the 3D Super Brand Marathon is the perfect time to check out the Honor X9C Smart 5G. To our friends in Honor, maraming salamat for sharing another milestone with us. Thank you for having us here and have a good day.